CAD comrade. In today's video we're going to learn about how to convert a JPG file into a directly CAD file. So it is a very simple process of three steps. So first of all, what we will do is we will say select the JPEG image that we want to be converted into our CAD file. So what we'll do is we will just save this into our downloads. It will take a few seconds to open the file explorer, and now what you have to do is you have to save the file wherever you want. So I will save it in downloads, and then what I will do is I will go to, after getting the image saved, what you have to do is you have to go to JPG to DXF converter online. It is free of cost. So for this, I usually use Convertio, which is a reliable site of JPG to DXF converting. After that, what you have to do is very simple. You have to choose the JPEG file that you had downloaded, and then you have to let the site convert it for you. You have to wait for a few seconds. After you get your file converted to a dxf file, what you have to do is you just have to download. So the dxf file is now being downloaded. All you have to, it is now very simple. You just have to go in home and insert your dxf file which you had saved in your downloads. It's very easy. You go on to start, you press open files. When the file gets opened, you have to go to your saved location. In our case, it was downloads, and from here you have to change your file type as dxf file, and then you have to select the file that we had converted from jpeg to dxf file. After selecting the dxf file, you have to wait for a moment to let the AutoCAD open your dxf file, which is now converted into a dwg AutoCAD file, as as it is now inserted in your AutoCAD software. So after your AutoCAD gets loaded, the dxf file will automatically open, and here it is. Here is your JPEG pattern converted into a fully usable AutoCAD plan or a drawing or a section, whatever you want to say. So it is now a fully functional DWG file, which is right over here, as you can see. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.